Now that you have created chatbot for your business, your clients can get auto response through your chatbot. And probably, if you are using any dedicated tools like Sampark Setu or Sangam CRM, you might be able to capture your client's intent as well. That's great. But tell me one thing, does your client know that you have implemented chatbot into your business? Are you finding it difficult to promote your chatbot? If yes, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to see 14 different ways through which you can promote your chatbot. So let us go one by one. Promoting your chatbot through WhatsApp's greeting message. Well, those of you who use WhatsApp business accounts definitely know how the greeting message works. Simply write a text like, "Hi, I have implemented a chatbot." You can type 00 to explore it. Now, whenever someone WhatsApp you for the first time, or after 14 days, they receive this automatic response. So one clear benefit here is, you never miss an opportunity to inform any new customer regarding your chatbot. Next is, using WhatsApp's About section to promote your chatbot. The About section tells your profile viewers what exactly you are up to. Well, obviously you can use the default suggestions like "I am at work" or "I am busy." But why not take leverage of this option to bring leads into your business? Simply write, "Try my WhatsApp chatbot, send me 00. Whoever sees the About section of your profile may try sending you 00. This About line is also visible when someone forwards any message to you. Now here comes my favorite method. Using Sampark Setu to promote your chatbot. Create a campaign in Sampark Setu and announce it to everyone. I feel this is the most effective way of doing it. The first message of your campaign could simply be the good news about you having implemented chatbot. Through the next message of your campaign, you can gently remind people by asking them whether they have tried your chatbot or not. And then through further messages of your campaign, you can inform people about offers and discounts on your products. But here is a thing. You should never give every detail in a single message. For example, when you are sharing information regarding offers on your products, write something like, "Our end of season sales are live now. Send 100 to check out our exciting offers." And when anyone sends 100, responders should receive further information on discounts and offers. The idea here is that you should configure the chatbot in such a way that it requests people to type something to get further information. This way, people will use your chatbot and get accustomed to it. Next is, using WhatsApp status to promote your chatbot. I am sure you swipe through status over WhatsApp. And surely your client does it too. So how about letting people know about your chatbot in this manner? Just share an image or simply click on the pen icon and type something like this, "Hi, I have implemented a chatbot." You can type 00 to explore it. You may try posting this same status on regular intervals to keep reminding your clients about your WhatsApp chatbot. Next is, by sharing the URL link of your chatbot. Many of you must be unfamiliar with this feature of WhatsApp Business app. This feature allows you to create a short URL link that your clients can use to start a conversation with you. The best part about this feature is that you get to create a default text that automatically appears on the sender's side of the screen when they click on the link. So basically, you tell people how they can begin the WhatsApp conversation with you. Next is, promoting your chatbot on the WhatsApp groups. This is one of the very obvious way through which you can promote your chatbot. However, chatbot does not work within the groups. So you cannot just tell people to write 00 in the group. So, make sure you write a message that clearly tells group members to begin conversing on your personal WhatsApp window. Paste your WhatsApp URL link in the group to make sure they don't start conversing on the group itself. Next is, using your own website to promote your chatbot. There are multiple ways through which you can make people aware about your chatbot through your website. One simple way to do it is by simply adding your WhatsApp chatbot URL link at the appropriate section of your website. You can also add a clickable button that redirects visitors to your WhatsApp chatbot. This is the best way for redirecting your website visitors if they are accessing the website through their mobiles. But if they are accessing your website through a computer, it's better to put QR code instead of a clickable button. Next is by redirecting visitors of your Facebook page to your WhatsApp profile. Facebook allows their users to link their Facebook page with their WhatsApp account. The linking process is pretty simple. Once you link it, you can easily redirect visitors of your Facebook page to your WhatsApp account. Next is using other social media platforms to promote your chatbot. You can inform people about your chatbot by simply sharing stories and posts over LinkedIn and Instagram. Make sure you don't forget to mention the link or QR code somewhere in your post and stories. Next is promoting your chatbot through email signature. Well, obviously, you can mention the link to your WhatsApp chatbot under the main body of the email. But sometimes, it is irrelevant to put links out of no context. Instead, try putting the link under the signature section. This will make sure that you never miss an opportunity to inform your customers regarding your chatbot. Next is by printing your WhatsApp QR code on your product's packaging. One clear advantage of printing QR code on your product's packaging is that all those who buy your product might actually try your chatbot. Just make sure the QR code you print is clearly visible and the text written near the QR code is appealing to readers. Here is one tip for you: configure your chatbot in such a way that all those who converse with your chatbot get to know additional details regarding your products. Next is sharing the QR code on your printed advertisements. You can strategically add the QR code into your printed advertisements. Here also, make sure the QR code you print is clearly visible and the text written near the QR code is appealing to readers. Here, you can configure your chatbot to show people your other offerings, or you may highlight offers on other products that you sell. Next is sharing the link or QR code via product brochures. If you own a business that deals with a variety of products or services, then surely you must be having one or more product brochures. If you have one, you can strategically add the QR code of your WhatsApp chatbot into these brochures. You can configure the chatbot in such a way that people can find further details on each product. If you are sending the PDF versions of these brochures, then you can also add the clickable hyperlinks instead of QR codes. Next is by displaying QR code on your retail or service outlets. All you need here is a few good printouts of your WhatsApp QR code. All those customers who visit your retail outlet might actually scan the QR code and get the relevant information pretty easily. So these were the 14 ways through which you can promote your chatbot. If you wish to know more about our products, visit our website www.samparkseitu.app and www.sangamcrm.com.